What's going on, you guys? So the first step that we're gonna do in this mid to low fade, I'm gonna go ahead and debulk the sides with the 5-guard lever open, similar to the video that you guys just saw. Then I'm gonna trim the top, and then I'll take you guys through a step-by-step process on how to achieve this look. 5-guard lever open. I'm gonna basically scoop out to this ridge area right here. There's gonna be some hair hanging on the side. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with my clipper over comb. Right here, dig, and then you wanna pull out with the heel to create that shape. Next, once we go through with that clipper over comb, I'm gonna start trimming the top. So over here in the back of the head, I just want to continue to comb this out. I know that his cowlick is right here, so I want to just take everything and create like a box section. His cowlick is right there. We want to work this to the recession point, which is right there. Do the same thing on this side. So we can work this area right here, this bulk first before we go and we trim the top. I just want to make sure this is all really blended. I'm going to do a little bit some shear over comb right here to get all of this excess bulk right here. And anything left over from the top, I'm going to go in with my thinning shears. So you guys want to repeat that around the whole head. Gonna resaturate the hair once we're done with that side, because we were trying to get the shape to be a little bit more squared. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a vertical section from here. I'm gonna pull this up and I'm gonna square it out towards the side like this, because he does comb his hair. You guys can see this cowlick right here, just puffs out like that. With the finer part of the comb, from the corner, we're gonna get one vertical section right here. We're gonna kind of work the lowest part of the back of the head, which we want to keep the crown a little heavy. I would like to say this is maybe like 1.5 inches, which is kind of the size amount that he wanted. I'm using these faded culture shears. Discount code is David10 if you guys want to buy the same shears. So now we're gonna work this section and now go horizontally and match it. But I'm gonna try to kind of cave it and round it towards this side over here, because he does comb it over on this side. So starting with the bangs first. So the next step is gonna be to use our soft trimmer, which this trimmer just comes straight out of the box like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and start my mid to low fade right here. This is a C-cup area. We're gonna go from maybe like right here, the middle part, above the ear, and his occipital bone is a bone that protrudes here in the back of the head. It's probably like right here. So we're gonna go about a finger below that, because we don't want to hit it, because like hitting it would mean that it's going to be a mid fade. So we want to go slightly bit lower. Next, now with our hard trimmer, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this bottom line right here before balding out. Just go ahead and grab our clipper and open up the lever. We're gonna start going about a finger above. So how we're gonna blend this out is gonna be fairly simple. We have a guideline here. We're gonna go from the closed lever position, which means the machine's at its sharpest position. We're gonna hit the guideline right here, go midway, hit it midway through, and then open it and hit the full thing. Closing the lever. Just gently tapping that line right there. Midway. Three-quarters, a tiny bit higher, till we're all the way open, and kind of just retouching up that line. Same thing now on the back side, closing that lever. You're gonna see how that line is gonna move. Midway. Three-quarters. All the way open. You guys can see the beginning of the guideline still look a little thing right there. I know that it's in the beginning, so I can either go a quarter closed or all the way closed. But I decided to go a quarter closed just to keep it safe. And now I'm working my way up a little bit. Now we got the 2-guard lever open. We're gonna go about a finger's width on top of the line that we just finished blending. It's gonna be the same process. And we're gonna use the 1-guard and the 1/2 guard to blend in between those lines. Next step now, we're gonna go close to open with the 1-guard. That's not gonna really blend out the line. It's gonna leave a small line right there for us to go in with our 1/2 guard. Midway. This is almost all the way open. It's like 3/4. All the way open now. So now we've gone close to open with the 1. You guys see that hard line right there. We're gonna erase that with the 1/2 guard, but before that, we're gonna get rid of this line right here, going from open to closed with the 1.5. All right, so now this is gonna be the trickiest part of the whole cut. With the 1/2 guard closed, we're gonna hit this line right here and go closed to open. What can be more confusing is just knowing how high up to go with the step, but you guys have to kind of hit it where it's kind of that hard line is at. Once you guys find that hard line, you guys just start going up little by opening up the lever little by little. Oh, thank you so much, bro. Hey, thank you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you, bro.